Hello to all employers there in Hong Kong. Have a pleasant day. My name is Jean Maskay Tabak from Palina, Taloy Sur to Babenguet, Philippines. I am 40 years old, married, and has 3 children, one daughter at 15 and 2 sons 13 and 8 years old. I am a college graduate. I took up Bachelor of Science in Office Administration. I have a work experience as a household part-time helper here in the Philippines for 4 years. During my college days, in order to support my studies and pursue my degree, I do the household chores such as cleaning the house, washing the dishes, washing the clothes, ironing, marketing, and cooking sometimes for the family. I also take care of their children, making sure that their needs are being met, and helping them with their school, papers, take-home works. I also have a work experience as a domestic helper nanny for more than 2 years in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. My main job being a nanny was to make sure that the baby's needs were met on time. Feeding, bathing, checking and changing the diapers when needed, playing with them, teaching them good manners, and ensuring their safety as a top priority list. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and help provide for my family's needs. To all employers in Hong Kong, if you will give me a chance to be your housemaid, I can assure you I am responsible, honest, trustworthy, hardworking, and can do multitasking with good working time management. I can also easily follow instructions. I will promise to do my duties and responsibilities until I finish my contract. Thank you, Ma'am and Sir. I hope to see you soon.